IntelliHybrid New Generation Scorpio. The IntelliHybrid New Generation Scorpio is a mild hybrid vehicle. It comes mainly with three features: engine stop-start system, electric regenerative braking system, and motor assist system. Existing 2.2-liter mHawk engines are replaced with 2.2-liter IntelliHybrid mHawk engines. The 2.2-liter IntelliHybrid mHawk engine has an AC motor cum generator system in place of a traditional alternator. This engine also has a dual-arm tensioner and a 7 pk wider belt and a strong battery with 90 amperes capacity. Engine stop-start system. This feature automatically shuts down the engine during unwanted engine idling and restarts when the clutch pedal is pressed again. This reduces the overall fuel consumption and the emissions. When the vehicle is stationary at a traffic junction and the engine is in idling condition, shift the gear to the neutral position and release the clutch pedal completely. The engine will automatically shut down in 2 to 3 seconds. The engine stop-start telltale in the instrument cluster will blink for 3 seconds, indicating that the engine is automatically shutting down. Once the engine is shut down, the telltale will glow continuously, indicating that the engine has been shut down by the engine stop-start system. When you want to start, press the clutch pedal and the engine will automatically restart. The telltale goes off, indicating that the engine has successfully restarted. Engage the gear and drive on. Mahindra Scorpio, Bolero, Xylo, Neosport, KUV, TUV, XUV all are equipped with stop-start system. Electric regenerative braking system. Additional electric energy is generated by the integrated AC motor cum generator while braking or decelerating, and this energy is stored in a battery. MHEV telltale lamp is on when the regenerative braking is in operation. Mahindra TUV and XUV have electric regenerative braking system. Motor assist system. Whenever more torque is demanded during acceleration, the smart controller converts the AC motor to generate torque and assist the engine. MHEV telltale lamp is on when the motor torque assist is in operation.